I really enjoy the fact that what I'm treating, it's a structural problem, right? And so I can see preoperatively what the issue is, do surgery to fix it, and then the patients do very well afterwards. And they come back and they're happy. They're like, you've given me my life back. Both of my parents were in the medical field. My mom's a radiologist. My dad was a neurosurgeon. I saw the satisfaction they derived from their job growing up, and they were always my role models. So it was a very easy choice for me to go into medicine. I've always sort of known that I wanted to be a neurosurgeon. I wanted to help people and work with my hands, and I felt like surgery was the best marriage of those two things. The pathologies are very different in the brain and the spine, and that's also another thing that I love about neurosurgery is that you have the microscopic, brain tumors that you're doing under a microscope versus the spinal surgeries, which are big screws and rods and kind of a little bit more like carpentry in a sense. My personal approach to seeing patients in the clinic is, really listening to their problem. I have an in-depth conversation with the patient, going step by step through their MRI, so that they truly understand the pathophysiology of what they're dealing with and why I'm offering the surgery that I'm offering, so that it makes sense to them, because if you're going under surgery, you should understand why we're doing surgery. Some patients are like, I couldn't, dance or enjoy any family gatherings, and now I'm dancing, I'm doing all these things. You really touch the patient in like a very deep and meaningful way. For me, it's a routine surgery, but for them, it's a life-changing event. I've seen Memorial everywhere here in the community, and you become a part of the community. Like, I've seen multiple patients in Publix many times, and so it's great to be a part of the community. Favorite part of the job is seeing positive outcomes, seeing the smile on the patient's face when they come back to see you in clinic, or seeing them happy the day after surgery. That's where I derive all of my satisfaction from.